test system requires a daily setup. It's very quick, and I'm going to step you through the process. It's just like having a scale for weighing things. It's typical that you have to zero that scale occasionally. This is no different. It also uses a load cell just like a scale. And so at the beginning of the day when you come in, when you start your production test measurements, you would set this side of the machine to a full height of 7, and then this also to its complete height of 7. So we have a 7, 7 setting, which gives us our maximum girths and our maximum size. Then we have a tool which is a 400 gram dead weight. This weighs 400 gram. It's mounted on a spring and have a little adjustment bracket here for hanging. This is actually then applied directly here, such as this. It's adjusted so if your machine is flat, this will lay precisely up against the edge of this surface. So what you do, in order to zero your system and do the setup, you're going to apply it against the side of the former to collect a zero reading. This is the zero reading when no garment is applied to the fixture. So I would press the mode button, then I would press the data button, and I would say capture. Then I would say set span, and I would apply this directly over the ribbon, and I would say data, and I would capture. When it does this process, it's going to set the settings in the machine when there is no load to a reading of 0. When it's applied against this 400 gram dead weight, as if it was a 400 gram tension in the side wall of that garment, it sets the value to a reading of 182. The reason for 182 has to do with the numerical conversions of calculating pressure. And it has to do with the conversions from centimeters and grams to millimeters of mercury. It's an arbitrary value, but it allows for that wonderful formula of 4 times the reading divided by the girth in centimeters, and you get millimeters of mercury. So this is a daily setup. One more time again, if we were to do this, we're going to set the 0 by applying this against the former, pressing the mode button. It says yes, press data, set the 0, move it over to the 182 value for the 400 gram, say data to capture, and you're good to go. At this point now you can remove the dead weight. You can set the fixture back down, set your control head to the side, and you're ready to begin testing. Testing takes approximately 3 minutes per garment. It's a very quick test, it's very accurate.